Hello everyone, take a section from the top of the hair, divide it into two parts, twist one on top of the other as such, and then insert it in the middle section of the hair. Now take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the left section of the clip, take a section from the left side of the scalp, twist it, and then insert it into the right side of the clip. Comb the rest of the hair. Next, tie a ponytail, lift up this ponytail, insert a multiple prong clip from the bottom top as such. Add a rubber band at the end of it, fluff it out slightly, and then using a bobby pin, fasten it in place. Next, take these decorative bows in hand. Tie a low ponytail out of the hair, and then after this, twist the hair around the fingers and then wrap it up on top. Add a clip to it as such. We have used a clip with a decorative ornament to it as well. Next, we will start off by combing the hair into place. Add a multi-level clip in the middle of the back. Take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the section on the left. Next, take a section on the left side, twist it, insert it into the section on the left. Take two more sections of the hair from either side, wrap them one on top of the other, and then include it in the central frame. Next, take a multi-level clip and then clip up a section from the right side onto it. After this, take three sections from the left side, twist each of these three sections, and then insert them into the three different levels that are possible. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, slightly loosen it, and then twist it. Use a multiple prong pin in order to make it stay in place. Next, comb the rest of the hair, and after that, add a disco rubber band to it. After you wrap it upwards, use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place and make it look all the more like a bun. Next, take out the top section of the hair as such. Now, once you have added your rubber band to it, make sure that it is properly presented. Add a fluffy clip on top of it as such to make it look all the more better. Next, take a section off the top of the scalp and then tie a rubber band to it. Instead of tying a rubber band, however, take this stick and then wrap the hair around it. After you have twisted it and wrapped it, push it through the other side as such. Take the bottom portion of the hair and then wrap it around the bun that you have created. Next, we will start off by taking a section from the right side and then clip up the multi-level clip to it. Take three sections from the left side, twist each of these sections, and then insert them into their allotted positions accordingly. After this, tie a braid out of the bottom section of the hair and then add some bobby pins to it to make it stay in place. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. After this, roll this section of the hair in on itself and then tie a low ponytail to the hair. After this, add another rubber band to the middle section and then roll the hair up into it and then wrap it up at the top. Use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair, use a bun stick, and then wrap the ponytail around the bun stick. After you have wrapped it, adjust the hair around it accordingly. After this, we will start off by taking some shells. Next, we have made little bows all over the scalps. Then after that, take a section from either side of the scalp and then twist it. Add a decorative clip on top of this to make it look all the more better. Next, for our next hairdo, we will start off by taking the clip and then adding it to the back as such. Take a small section of the hair from the right side, twist it, insert it to the left side of the clip. Now, do the same for the other sides as well. Twist all of them before entering it in. This will be the final look of the hair. Thank you for watching.